Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is BRcrochet. If you are seeing this tutorial for the first time, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my channel. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. And this class will be learning how to make a granny square halter top using this 4 granny square. So let's get into class. We'll be needing scissors, 4.0mm hook, the measuring tape, and our color base, which is the black. So the first thing to do is arrange our colors accordingly. So we should be having something like this. And so we're going to start from here. So pick your yarn and making chain 3. 1, 2, 3. They're making 3 double crochet, chain 2, three double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So repeat this, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So this is our corner points. You're making 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So now we have this already, and we're just going to attach this to it. So you're going to chain 2 and picking from here. This is the outer part and this is the inner part. We are not working on the inner part, we are working on the outer part. So start from here. Don't turn your work, start from here. So making 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, go into this side, pull out your yarn, chain 1 again, and go into the next. Three double crochet, chain 1, go into this side, chain 1 again. So in total you are chaining 2 and go into the next. 2, 3, chain 1, go in here, chain 1 again, chain 1, go into the next, chain 1 again, and go into the next. So you're going to be chaining 3 double crochet, chain 1, since this is our corner point, you are going to put in 3 double crochet, chain 1, chain 1 again, then into the same space, put in 3 double crochet and work back up. 2, 3. So you should be having something like this. We've joined them together. So chain 2. From here you start chaining 2 and walk back up. Chain 2. So now we're at this point here, and we're just going to chain 2, then pick your next color, which is this, and walk in here. So you're going to repeat the same process, making 3 double crochet. Chain 1 into this part. You're going to chain 1, clock the 2 together, and chain 1 again. So go into this part with 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, come in here, chain 1 again, and go into the next. Chain 1, go into this part and lock in the 2 together. Chain 1 again, 2, 3. Chain 1, then into this middle part here. To this middle part, you put in chain 1. Then go into the same space. 1, 2, 3. So you're having something like this. So you're going to walk back up and stop here. So now this is our last point. So you're going to repeat the same process we did for this and this for this. So you're going to chain 2 and pick in, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, going to the opposite side and lock it together. Chain 1 again, go in, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, go into the opposite side and lock in the 2 together. Chain 1 again. So continue like that. So we're at this point here, chain 1 and go in here. In between these 2, you put in a chain 1 again, and go in with 3 double crochet to the same space. But this time you are not going to walk back up because you're going to join the 2 together. So you're going to come in here, opposite side, and lock in the 2 together. So lock the 2 together, chain 1, go into the next with 3 double crochet, chain 1, go into this part here and lock the 2 together. You chain 1 after every lock. So once you join the 2 together, you chain 1, before and after, chain 1 again, you go into the next. This is the last part, so join together. Now you're going to, now you have your, so it's in square shape, and we are going to make in 3 double crochet round back to get back to this point here you started from. So making 3 double crochet, chain 2 round, so 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So once you get to this point, after chaining 1, you put in a single crochet here, chain 1 again, then continue your work. Chain 2, then you continue. So now we've gotten to our last point, which is here. Chain 2, then you slip stitch in between these parts. Chain 2, then cut your yarn. Pick out a strand, then tie it together. Now we're going to secure all edges by making single crochet rounds. So start from here, because this is where our neck piece is going to be. So you chain 1, then to the next part you put in single crochet, into the next you put in single crochet, into the next you put in single crochet, into this part you put in single crochet, into this part here, this first point here, single crochet. So that's how you're going to be making single crochet round to secure our edges. So making single crochet round. So you're going to have something like this, going with single crochet round into every stitch you can find and making a single crochet across whole border. So you get back to this point where you started from. Once you get to this corner space here, you put in 1 double crochet, chain 1, into the same space you put in 1 double crochet. So you continue like that. So you continue to single crochet till you are done. For every corner space you put in 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. But for the rest you put in single crochet into every stitch space, including this point here. We have our square shape ready, and we're just going to turn it into a diamond shape. First thing to do is taking our measurement. We're going to take our measurement. It's in a square shape, so both sides are meant to be equal. So we have 13. If stretched, can stretch to 15, which is 30. But originally we have this, and for this part too, if stretched, can stretch to 15 and above, can stretch to 18. But we're not stretching, so we're just going to work on the original body size, so which is 14. So we have 14 inches here, and we have 14 inches on both sides. So we have 14 inches on both sides like this. So our measurement is equal. Now we are going to turn, and this is going to be our tie-on neck. This is where we're going to turn our rope backward. So you're going to pick, we have 2 strands of yarn here. We're going to pick another strand, another 2 strands, so as to get 4 to thicken our strap. So we have extra 2. So this is how you're going to do it. Just come back in here and picking everything. So right now you'll be having 6. This is 2. This is 2. So picking the whole 6. Two strap fixed. So go ahead and cut out your excess yarn if you have any. So this is what it's looking like. Initially it was like this. You have to turn it to make it look like this. So this is the outer part and this is the inner part. So this is the inner part and this is the outer part. You can see the difference. We're just going to pass the rope backward. So it's just going to be like this. So you pass it from behind. So it's going to be like this. Just going to tie. So this is the back. And this is the front. So it's going to be looking like this. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share with your loved ones. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.